Now starting with the question, we are given in the question as X Limited company was incorporated with an authorized capital of 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Now here the directors decided to allot this 10,000 shares credited as fully paid to the promoters for their services. Now when the shares are issued to the promoters, we have written the entry earlier also. When the shares are issued to the promoters, the entry will be goodwill account debit to share capital. When shares are issued to promoters, entry will be goodwill account debit to share capital. So we'll start with our journal entries. Our format will be journal entries, date particulars, NF debit credit. NF it's your choice. I'm currently putting date particulars, debit credit. Date particulars, debit and credit. Starting with the very first thing, shares are issued to the promoters. Entry will be goodwill account debit to equity share capital. Directly it is given in the question that this much shares at rupees 10 each are issued to the promoters. 10,000 into 10 will be your 1 lakh. Now you can write the narration being issue of 10,000 shares done to the promoters. Second entry will be, read the question carefully. Now, the company also purchased land and building from Y Company Limited for rupees 4 lakh paid up in fully equity shares. So, your entry will be land and building account debit to Y Company. Y Limited or Y Company Limited account at 4 lakh rupees. They have purchased the land and building at 4 lakh. Narration being land and building purchased from Y Company. These are the two starting entries for the question. We need to prepare the balance sheet also in this question. We'll move on to the third entry first. Your third entry will be from your second entry only. You are transferring the shares Y Limited, Y Company Limited account debit to your equity share capital of 4 lakh. Your narration for the same will be being the issue of 40,000 shares against the purchase of land and building. The issue of 40,000 shares against purchase of land and building. Being the issue of 40,000 shares against the purchase of land and building. And your final entry will be your actual shares were 10 lakh. 5 lakh is being used. 1 lakh for goodwill, 4 lakh for purchasing of land and building. Your final entry will be bank account debit to equity share capital. Bank account debit to equity share capital, that is your 5 lakh. Because we are being told to issue the balanced shares, being issue of 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Note down these two entries, then we'll move on to our balance sheet part. Limited. We'll put the heading first. Balance sheet of X Company Limited as liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Now, coming to your liability side, first we write down the heading share capital. In this, first will be your authorized capital. Authorized capital. Your authorized capital were 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Your authorized capital were 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. That means your 10 lakh. Now coming to your issued capital. Now why we have done this line twice? Because this will not be the part of your total. Now coming to your issued capital, 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Same. That means your 10 lakh again. Because of the above 50,000 shares had been allotted for consideration other than cash. 1 lakh was for goodwill, 4 lakh for land and building. So out of this 50,000 shares are allotted for consideration other than cash. Consideration other than cash. Now coming, we'll write the total also 10 lakh. We'll move on to our asset side. First of all, we'll write fixed assets. Next is your investments, and third is your current. First of all, in fixed assets, there are two parts: goodwill, land and building. Goodwill is of 1 lakh. Your land and building was of rupees 4 lakh. Moving to next, your current assets. In that, you are transferring your 5 lakh to your bank part. Again, the total will be 10 lakh. Your balance sheet got tallied with your 10 lakh amount.